Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go over the question. The graph of a circle shown in the xy plane above intersects the x-axis and y-axis at 3 points. What is the radius of the circle? Okay, for the given circle, we have to find the radius, and the circle intersects the x-axis at the point 8, 0, and intersects the y-axis at the point 0, 6, and here intersects at the origin. Okay, now let me say the x-intercept over here as the point A, and the y-intercept over here as point B, and for origin we have O. Okay, now let me connect the points A and B over here with the line segment. Okay, so here AB is the chord of the circle, and also here at the point O, that is at origin, the angle between x-axis and y-axis is right angle, because in any xy plane always the x-axis and y-axis will intersect at the right angle. Okay, and also the angle over here at the point O is formed by the chord AB. So whenever a chord forms a right angle at any point on the circle, then the chord can be considered as the diameter of the circle. So here this chord AB forms a right angle over here at the point O on the circle. So we can consider that this chord AB as the diameter of the circle. Okay, once I get the length of this diameter AB, I can divide it by 2 to get the radius of the circle. Okay, here we have the x-intercept 8, 0, that is we have the value 8 over here on the x-axis, and here the y-intercept is 0, 6, that is we have value 6 on the y-axis over here. Okay, what is the length of this line segment OA? That is clearly 8. And what is the length of this line segment OB over here? That is clearly 6. Okay, now we can use Pythagorean theorem in this right triangle OAB to get the length of this AB. Actually, AB is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle. Okay, according to Pythagorean theorem, the square of the hypotenuse equals to sum of the squares of other two legs. Okay, here the lengths of the two legs are 6 and 8. So sum of the squares of two legs is 6 square positive 8 square. Okay, AB square equals to the value of 6 square is 36 and the value of 8 square is 64. Okay, AB square equals to 36 positive 64 is 100. Now to get of the square over here, let me take square root on both sides. Okay, here the square root and square root cancel out. Whenever we take square root on both sides of an equation, for this square root we consider positive or negative sign. But here I am going to consider only positive sign for this square root, because this AB represents the diameter of the circle. The diameter of the circle can never be a negative value, so we can consider only positive sign for this square root. So we get AB on the left side. We know that square root of 100 is just 10. Okay, already we know that AB is the diameter. We got the diameter of the circle, that is 10 units. To get the radius, what do we have to do? So we have to divide the length of the diameter by 2. When I divide 10 by 2, I am getting 5. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 5 units. We find this 5 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.